Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the new audio or text flow in Word, so sign into Word for the web with your Microsoft 365 account and confirm your mic is allowed. Once done, open a document and choose Home then Dictate for live speech, or Home then Transcribe to upload recorded audio. Make sure language and accent settings match the speaker. That improves accuracy. Start a short test sentence. This verifies levels and permissions before you process longer files, which saves time and prevents wasted transcriptions. After uploading or recording, Word's transcribe engine analyzes audio and creates a draft you can review. Play sections back with the playback controls and use the segment list to jump to specific lines. This is faster than re-listening to the whole file. Assign speaker names for clarity and add or remove timestamps if you need a clean transcript. Edit directly in the transcript pane to correct misheard words and punctuation. Because cleaning text there reduces revision time once you insert it into your document. When the transcript looks good, select segments or choose Insert All to add text to your document, and then format, apply styles, fix speaker tags, and add timestamps where required. Save a copy or export to PDF if you need distribution-ready output. If you run into problems, try one key troubleshooting step. Record or upload a higher quality file and reduce background noise because transcription accuracy largely depends on input clarity. Also make sure the correct language is selected and your mic drivers are up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.